Hey guys, I got a new outlook on things. Let's go to Gmail.
No, Gene! Not Gmail!
Gmail!
Get ready for this year's Tech Talks. I'm Little Passcode.
I'm the one and only.
And I'm MC Error 404.
Today we're going to be talking about Gmail.
With the change to Gmail, you may have noticed that when you are having a conversation with another person in Gmail, you'll notice that the email looks like one thread. In order to change that to make it look more like Outlook, you need to go to the settings icon. That is this little gear here in the top right corner. Once I click that little gear, I will scroll all the way down to where it says email threading, and notice it has the conversation view on. I want to turn off the conversation view to make it more like Outlook. So when I click on that, it's going to give me a little prompt saying that I'm turning off conversation view and ask it to reload. Once it reloads, you're going to notice that now that email thread that I had in one email now is in multiple. So just like in Outlook, I can keep track easier of the conversations that I'm having with multiple people.
Hey everyone, let's learn how to pin an email through Gmail. So before in Outlook, it was a little simpler. You would just hover over an email, you would see a little pin, you would click on that pin, and automatically it would be pinned to the top of your emails. With Gmail, it's a little different. I'm going to run through how to pin them using a star, but you can also pin them using the importance markers. So in this case, I have an email here from Ms. Hernandez. I'm going to click on the little star. And so now I have Delphina's email starred. I have Mr. Wilgamith's email starred as well. I would like these to be at the top of my email, as well as the other starred emails, such as Ms. Ramirez's here at the bottom. So to do that, what you want to do is go to the gear icon, which is your settings icon. In settings, if you scroll down, you'll see the inbox type. You want to put the starred first. That way, all your starred emails will pop up to the very top of your email. So I'm going to do that now. You'll see that it's now changed. All my starred emails are at the top. And so now I can easily find those important emails I need to get to quickly.
To set up your groups, the first thing you need to do is make sure you go to the waffle, and when you select the waffle, what's going to happen is you get all of the applications. So you scroll down to where it says groups, and you're going to open your groups. When you open your groups, it's going to show you a whole list of all the groups that have been created. So what you want to do is you want to create your group. When you open this up, you've got to give it a name. So I'm going to just call this demo groups, demo, and then the email is automatically generated for you. And if you notice, my email says demo, and then of course the district email. So the group description, I'm going to just call it training groups. Okay, so when I do that, I've now created this group, and it gives me this menu. So who can search for the group right now? That list is group members can use it. But if you notice, this is a drop down, so you could actually put it out to the entire district if you wanted to. But I wanted just group members. Now, who can join the group? Only invited group users is what I like, but you can do anyone in the organization can ask, or anyone in the organization can join. So I'm going to leave it at only invited users. Now, who can view conversation? Of course, you want your group members to see that. And then who can post? You want your group members to be able to post. But you can change these settings if you want to. And who can view the members? You can adjust that as well. So then I'm going down to where it says next. And then I'm going to add group members. So for example, I'm going to add one of my cohorts here, and I'm going to put this member in. So I'm going to put S. Nunez, and right there it pops it up. So I'm going to add him to the group. I want to make him a group manager as well, because I want him to be able to create and to control what's happening with this group. So I'm going to put S. Nunez again, and there he is. Now he's a group manager. You want your group managers to be able to set things in your group. If you don't want all members to have that ability, and then you can put in a welcome mesh if you want here. Subscription: each message is delivered as it is posted, so they'll get it right away. So I'm going to create the group, and it's working on creating it, and now I have this group right there, and it says there's your group. So I want to go and see what it looks like. And here's my group. Okay, I can see my members. Right now it's myself. I'm running the group. I'm the owner, and Saul is a member. Okay, if I select this drop down, I can change their membership. I can make him a manager from here as well. So I made him a manager as well. So he's allowed to post, and as you can see, you can adjust allowed, moderated, or not allowed to any member. So I don't think you want to make it so your members cannot post to your group. So that's as easy as it is to make your group. So if I go here to my groups, I can see all the groups. And if I go down here, I can see right here's my test group. Okay. And so all the groups are posted here. This is the one I just created, demo group. I can open it up, and now I have access to my demo group. It's that easy to create your groups. Very simple, very quick, and very, very nice.
If you got a burning tech question, please reach out to us.
We would like to give a special shout out to Guillermo Carmona for helping with camera and editing.
Let's make this school year tech-tastic.